Trailhead brothers here. Today we'll do this batch quick start create employee agents in Agentforce. So let's get started. The first enable Agentforce interview default topics and actions. Okay, for this you have to create your own Salesforce account. If you go to this link, open a new tab. In here you have to create your own account. Just put your information and a link will come. Just click on the link, reset your password, and after creating your account you have to come below. Click on three dots and connect org and put your username and password, and that's it. And click on yes, save it. After logging in, and you have connected your account to Trailhead. So let's open my Salesforce account and let's get started. Okay, we have directly come to the setup. If you want to go to the setup, go to the top right, click the gear icon, and here you just have to click this, and then you will come here in a new tab. Okay, let's start. We have to go to the Einstein setup and make sure that it is on. Just put this in the quick find. Click here. Okay, it is off. We have to turn it on. We have turned on the Einstein setup. Okay, let's see the next steps. Refresh your browser. After refreshing the browser, we have to go to the Salesforce Go, and we have to go select the Agentforce default. Get started, turn on, and confirm. Okay, let's go here. Let's search Salesforce Go. Click here just once. Okay, we are here in the search bar on the left. Just search Agentforce. Okay, we just click on the second option, the default. Click get started and turn on. Confirm. Refresh the browser. Okay. Then Agentforce assets. Okay, there are two tabs. Okay, verify. Congratulations. Next step. Create two employee agents. First, create a general agent. Agentforce agents. Okay, then new agent. Select Agentforce employee agent. New agent. Agentforce employee agent. Okay, click next. Select click scene relations. Okay, edit. See included actions. Okay. Okay, deselect. Click next. Deselect. Next. Okay. Copy name. Okay. Then description. And then role in the company. Checkbox. Leave everything as is. Click next. For now, data cloud and data lab we want to use. Click create. Let's go. Next. Create. Okay, agent is created. Add specific topics. Click new and add from asset library. New. Add from asset library. Okay, check the box next to migration default. Migration default topic. Checkbox. Single record summary, and then click finish. Now click this and finish. Okay, click migration folder which opens the topic details and click to view all. You see at the bottom which uses data class. Since you don't have, you need to remove this action. Okay, and click remove from topic. You got it and refresh. The migration default topic. This topic sections. And answer questions with knowledge. Remove from topic. Okay, fresh agent. And got it. Tell me about edge communication. Okay, it is working. Click activate, ignore and activate. Ignore and activate. Your work has been saved. Now let's verify. Okay, let's go to the next step. Grant access and use the agents. Let's permission sets. And click new. New. Grant access. Copy subscription. Save. Okay, click save. Agent access. Here agent access. Click edit. Select enroll. Click add. It's click save. Edit. Add. Click save. Okay. Click manage assignments. Click add assignments. Manage assignment. Click done. Manage assignments. Add assignment. Test person master 33. Next. Assign. Okay. Click done. Use the agent. Okay. Sales app. Okay. Refresh. Click the general agent and then enter this. Okay, here. Tell me about Sophia Rodriguez. Okay, let's click on contact and submit. Okay, read the summary and copy this. Okay, there we go. Click send email and allow me to modify. Click send and active. Okay, send email and then send. Like activity is email. Okay, verify. Okay, congratulations.